Hello and welcome to the Crypto Street Trading channel. Hope you guys are doing good and definitely taking benefit from the analysis or all the content that we're posting on our channels. All right, guys, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe so you can get benefit of all the inputs that we are posting every day. So, guys, this video is about Discord server and we are going to share some analysis about the trades that we are posting here, and you can see the success here. First of all, we will go and tell you. So June 27, you guys can see. So it's local time, and let's see here. So we said like buy STRU, STORJ, and ONT, LRC, current market price. At current market price, we're telling you the price as well, which we took entry at. By wet, by link, and HBAR. Total 6 trades here, and we have provided you proper entry and exit, proper TP and SL for ONT, LRC. You guys can see all of them here. Okay, the amazing part, now we are going to jump on that. So see here, TP hit for ONT, as you guys can see, 2.26%. So this is a risky trade, not too much big targets in the TP, and the SL is also very low. All right, and next thing we have is TP hit for STORJ, and you can see 2.50 and similar thing. And if you go, yeah, here we have provided another trade. If you see, we said buy near at current market price 5.211. Okay, and we have provided the NAV, basically the take profit and stop loss for that as well. All right, LRC proper TP hit. All right, the next is wet proper TP hit 2.39. So we are doing good, all these small trades. And the next thing we have is Hedra and proper TP hit. So guys, for the link and for the near, we have closed basically the trades before reaching a TP. Why? I'll tell you. See this. The near chart, you can see, so near has reached almost 3.07%. Our target was 3.61%, and we missed this target a little bit, unfortunately, but that's fine, no problem. We took exit in the profit, and same happened for the link. We were almost there to the TP, but it's okay. This is how the market works. The market was looking little basically downwards. It was getting a little pullback, so we took exit in the profit, so that's okay. So guys, in total we took 7 trades and we booked 14.45% profit in this, and we have posted all the trades and we have provided all the basically proper entry and exit, and so you can, it will be easier for you guys to follow. All right, so we were doing this, we were providing you all the analysis, and yesterday it's not all profits. Basically yesterday we booked losses, but that's fine. Today we have booked profits, and every day is a new day in trading. If you are a professional trader, you understand that every day is a new day. The price in the small trades, definitely the market momentum, the price action, all that stuff has its own variety and variations that we have to deal with, but this is the thing, this is how the trading works. All right, so you can join our Discord for free. It's free for now, but for limited time from the next month, not in the start, we'll announce, but we are going premium within the next month. All right, so you can join and you can take benefit of all the trades, all the setup we are posting. You can see we have all active trades here as well. We're posting setups, 1 2 3, 3 setup posted today, and all other setups you can see as well. So risky trade, short-term trade, swing trades, we have all of them here. You can come join our Discord and take part, and definitely we are updating you with all other stuff as well in this within this Discord. Technical analysis, BDC analysis, announcement, everything is here, and you can it's a market overview image that we are generating every day. So this is also beneficial for you guys to have an idea what happened yesterday and what is the current market scenario. So there's a lot of things going on within this Discord, and we have our basically website as well. You can see it's a proper website, and we are posting continuous analysis and details over here. You can see this is a detailed analysis, the newsletter for the soul. And if you see this, you can properly align yourself. Let me just readjust for the website the size so you can see proper pricing here. Okay, give me a little moment, guys. I think this is it. All right. So you can see the proper pricing, and you can see the proper analysis here. And we have published this today, and we are providing all the, what's circulation right now, what's total, and what's maximum is, infinite. It's different coins, different softwares, different scenarios, and so you can see everything is explained here. This is a proper newsletter. You can come, join, and read this, and definitely take benefit of that. This newsletter is free, but for a limited time, we are also going premium on this as well. You can see on home. If we go onto the home, you see we are providing June 25, 24, 24. We are posting continuous analysis there. We are posting, our YouTube channel. It's okay. Bitcoin, all the things are here. Fear and greed, so everything. You can come, take part, become a member here. For now, everything is free, but from the next month, we are going premium. You can take benefit of that for now, for free. All right, guys. Hope you have a good day, and please like, subscribe our channel, so we can also comment, so we can know what if you are liking our content or not. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good day.